On today's episode of the Bootstrap Biz Advice Show, we're talking all about custom branded links. We no longer need to use bit.ly, tiny URL, or a plugin on your website because Squarespace does it for you. For today's example, we're going to create a custom branded link to an Acuity scheduling type because Acuity is now a Squarespace company. So if you have not checked out my VIP vault, which is filled with cheat sheets, checklists, tutorials, and even stock photos for free, make sure you go to the newly updated LaShondaBrown.com and just click on the bar at the top. Without further ado, let's hop in. So I want to give you some real-life application for the tips I'm going to give in the video today. Recently, I was interviewed for a virtual summit, and I was provided with an affiliate link from the company Thinkific. However, that link was extremely long. So what I did is I hopped inside my i4Ebony website because the target audience for that website is similar to the target audience of the summit, and I created a custom branded link. When you type in i4ebony.com/summit, now it uses my domain to redirect traffic to someone else's site. So Squarespace designed this feature to help you redirect traffic to pages that no longer exist. However, you can also use it to create branded links. So here's one example. Another example is Acuity. I find myself constantly using bit.ly links to redirect traffic to a specific type of appointment type. But what we can do is we can make them branded in our business. So we're going to copy the link for Discovery Call. And we're going to go to about90marketing.com, which is my web design business. Then we're going to hit the Escape key on our keyboard to get into the back end of my Squarespace site. Hit Settings, Advanced, URL Mappings, and we're just going to paste that link in there so we have it. Now I'll take you back to that i4Ebony redirect, and we're going to throw the exact same code in here. So we need to change a few things. Instead of saying /summit, we want to say /discovery call. And you need to make sure there are no typos in this because this is exactly what people need to spell out to get to this link. Then we're going to replace this link after the arrow with the link we got from Acuity. Finally, we're going to leave the 302. 302 helps denote which type of redirect this is. 99% of the time, you are going to be using 302 because it is a temporary redirect. But if you want to see the difference, just click on the link down here to see the Squarespace article about URL mapping. When you're done, just hit Save. It'll switch back to Advanced so you know that it's finished. And now let's go test it out. If we type in about90marketing.com/discovery call, now it redirects traffic directly to my Acuity link. So this is something that you can do for links that are private or public within your Acuity. You can also use it to direct traffic to your entire calendar. So let's take a stab at that really quick. We're actually going to create 2 branded links so that you can see how that would work. So in the past, what I've been using to redirect traffic to my entire calendar is bit.ly/LaShonda calendar. But instead, we're going to take that and we're going to make a redirect within LaShondaBrown.com. So again, we're going to hit the Escape key to go into the back end of the Squarespace site. We're going to hit Settings, Advanced, URL Mappings. And so we're going to do the exact same thing here. We can copy the code from the About 90 site and paste it here. So instead of saying discovery call, we want to say calendar. And we're going to go not to the specific link to a discovery call, but to the full calendar and copy that link. Replace the previous link. Actually, we can get rid of this part. And we're going to save it. Now let's see what happens. LaShondaBrown.com/calendar. And there's my full calendar. So again, you can use this to redirect traffic to whatever you'd like. It could be redirecting / a page that no longer exists to a new link. Or it could be driving traffic to Acuity appointment types or affiliate links in your business. So feel free to customize this however you'd like, but now we don't need to use bit.ly or tinyurl or complicated plugin. This is something that is built into your website for free if you have a Squarespace website. So I want to make sure you take advantage of that. So before I let you go, I want to go rapid fire and create multiple links within the back end of my Squarespace site. So for example, in the past, I have been driving traffic to my Acuity link by saying LaShonda bit.ly/LaShonda Acuity sign up. That's a mess. Let's go ahead and fix that. So we're going to copy that link. We're going to hop on over here and just make sure there's space in between. Copy what we had before. We're going to replace the link. And we're going to change it to say LaShondaBrown.com/Acuity. The other thing I want to do, and you may think this is a little clever, is I want to create a link that is LaShondaBrown.com/website help, because you guys may not remember the name of my business, but you'll remember my name. So we're going to go to about90marketing.com. We're going to click on contact, and this is where I get all the information about people interested in website help. So we're going to copy that, and that is what we're going to type in. So you can use Squarespace to redirect traffic to Squarespace sites. So we're going to leave a space in between. I just do this to help me keep everything organized. We're going to save it and give these links a test. LaShondaBrown.com/Acuity. Now redirects traffic to Acuity, where you can find all the information and pricing. Friends, there is a free version for $0 a month. So if you are not using Acuity, I would strongly recommend hopping on there and at least trying the freebie account. And it can go up from there. You can also do a free 7-day trial to see if it's a good fit for you. And we'll test out LaShondaBrown.com/website help. So, like I said, if you need my help with your Squarespace site, feel free to reach out to me. I really love using this platform. I think it is a fantastic fit for most people who are starting a small business and for nonprofits because it is easy to customize and update. So if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn. And if you haven't, make sure you hop over to LaShondaBrown.com and sign up for that VIP vault because I have a ton of resources in there as well. Hope you loved this. There will be more in the future, but until next time, ta-ta for now.